All right, hello. Just doing a review of my PTO generator for my tractor. Nothing special. You can buy these carts, online and stuff. But I built this one, made it a little bit heavier duty, and add a lot more to it because, well, reinvent the mousetrap or build a better mousetrap. Reinvent the wheel, build a better wheel. So, place for the PTO. Most PTO shaft. Most carts have that, but I put this rack on here. Shadow. Put the rack on there. Got a stake here for the ground. That cylinder is from welding rod we used up, and then we just grabbed some 3-inch clamps and put that on there. 2 of them. And then I have a cord, 3-way plug, and this is the ground hooked up. Yeah, it's nothing special. The other thing too is we took and folded this tongue up, so when you put it in the garage, it doesn't take up as much room. You just pull that pin at the bottom, and then fold it down, put the pin back in, and it stays. You take it anywhere you want, or hook it up to the tractor and run the PTO. Let me drop that down. Hold on. All right, there it is, unfolded. Well, yeah. Hook it up to the tractor and pull it away. Like I said, I just want to show, built this quite a few years ago, but just wanted to show, you can always upgrade something, make it better. This way I got everything here. Don't have to hunt for it or nothing, So, there's the tractor. Let me get it hooked up and we'll get it out of here. All right, ta-da! She's hooked up. I've only used this like 3 times since I've had it, and I've had it for a few years. It's not something you really hook up for short outages, long term, really. 6 or better hours. Well, she works pretty good. So now that I got the Generacs, my neighbor's gonna take it down his place. So, yeah, she works. So, all right, thank you. Please like and subscribe, and God bless.